Hand to your heart, how many of you have either borrowed money from family members or have lent money to them? Well, I have been on both sides. It's easy to take family and friends for granted. We may sometimes be harsh on them or may delay paying back because family should support, family should understand, or family should do everything to show you are a family. And even if we are harsh, the repercussions may not last long, and while conflicts over attitudes can be resolved easily, the same may not be true when it comes to financial transactions. In fact, money and property are among the biggest disruptors in relationships. So when it comes to tiding over a financial crisis or taking a loan, should you rely on your family members or opt only for the lending institutions? Here are the pros and cons to consider before taking a decision. Number 1, a low or no interest rate. If you are on good terms with your family members and have never taken financial help from them, you will invariably get a loan without any interest, or one that is extremely low compared to the one you would get from a bank or any other lending institution. Compared with the high interest rates in case of a personal loan, the rate your family offers can be low, so it may be a good option to consider if you have exhausted all other options. High flexibility. Another big advantage of borrowing from a family member is that there is usually no fixed format, installment, or deadline that you need to adhere to. You can return the borrowed money as and when your financial condition stabilizes without any pressure from the family. This means there is no EMI, tenure, or penalty for missed payments. Your CIBIL score is unlikely to be impacted due to a default, and your future borrowing capacity from banks remains unaffected. The next point is no formal process. The process of taking up loan will also be hassle-free because you will not need to submit a formal application before or provide any documents or offer a collateral if the loan is big. In case you prepay the loan, there will be no charges or any other clauses you will need to pay heed to. But no tax benefit. That's point number 4. If you are planning to take a loan from your family for buying a house instead of one from a bank, you will have to forego the tax advantage. The 5th one, and the most important one, risk to relationship. Since it's family, it's easy to take the financial assistance for granted and not prioritize the repayment of loan. If you do not repay within a reasonable time frame, the interactions at family meetings might become awkward. It will not only be unfair to the lender, but also uncomfortable for you, even if you are unable to repay due to a genuine financial crisis. There is also the danger of the relationship breaking up completely if you fail to return the money. So what should you do? To ensure that your relationship remains unharmed and you benefit from the financial help, do not take big loans from family members. Take only the amount you know you will be able to return with ease in a specified time frame. It's best to have a written agreement on the terms of loan, be it the amount, repayment schedule, or time frame. A lot of people may not feel easy about doing this too, but it is important. And this will not only impose an obligation on you to repay the money, but also reassure the lender that the money will be returned without any prompting from them. So these are some pros and cons to consider before you consider borrowing from a family member. If you have found today's video to be informative, then please feel free to share it with more people so that they are informed. I thank you so much for watching this video. And if you are in debt and have been struggling in bringing velocity in reaching your debt freedom, then sign up for our intensive. And if you are in debt and have been struggling in bringing velocity in reaching your debt freedom, then sign up for our And if you are in debt and have been struggling in bringing velocity in reaching your debt freedom, then sign up for our Debt to Freedom Intensive. The link is in the description of this video. And at Women on Wealth, many women have become debt-free, and many more. At Women on Wealth, many women have become debt-free, and many more are on their way, and you can join them too. I thank you for watching this video, and I will see you next time. Bye-bye.